Happy Canada Day, guys. I hope that you guys are all keeping safe. Today I don't have a Canada Day's nail art to share, but I do have this mermaid look that I did create some time back that unfortunately I just never did get around to posting. I did mean to have this up earlier, but things didn't work out like that. But at least I was able to get it up today regardless. Although I am focusing more on my nail tech career, I will still be showing looks with regular nail polish as well for those that aren't nail techs or just prefer regular nail polish. So just keep an eye out for that as well. If you'd like to see how I came up with this look, keep on watching. As I already have my nails prepped with base coat, I'll be going in and using Color Club's Where's the Soiree. This is actually one of my favorite blacks because it is a one coater black polish. I actually do have to purchase another one because I believe at the time of filming this it was running really low, but I love this just for the fact that I can get a good and even coverage with just one thin coat. As always, before I do go in with any type of nail art, I'll be going ahead and applying one thin coat of Girly Bits Cosmetics What a Rush top coat. Since this look is going to consist of some flakies along with some stamping, it's really best that I go in and protect my cuticles. And to do this, I'll be using Girly Bits Cosmetics Border Patrol. But if you don't have a latex barrier like this, feel free to use some tape or anything at your disposal. For the flakies, I'll be going in and using these stunning lipstick flakies from What's Up Nails, and honestly guys, I really do need to go ahead and purchase some more flakies from them because these are just beautiful, and depending on the base color that you use, it can definitely transform any color that you're using. So I am really excited to be using these in the future. Just look at how pretty those are, and you do get quite a good amount in the jar. I can't remember exactly how much it is, but it's a lot and it will last you quite some time. So what I'll be doing is I'll just be going ahead and picking up some of those lipstick flakies with my silicone tool and just lightly pressing them onto my nail. And once I get the coverage that I like, I'll be going in and burnishing them just to make sure everything is laid flat. This is what I'm talking about. Just look at how these transform over this black base. It is so pretty. I can't. I'm in love. I love these so much. So here what I'm doing is I'm just going in and burnishing or rubbing them in with my finger just to make sure that I do have a good, smooth and even coverage and there's just no excess flakies poking up or sticking out on and around my nail. For the stamping polish, I'll be going ahead and using Moonflower's Noche, which is a great stamping polish and it can also be used as a regular black polish. I'll be also using my all-time favorite Clear Jelly Big Bling stamper, and I'll also be using the KADS Mini 004 stamping plate, and I'll be using this really cute mermaid's fin or mermaid's tail image right here. Honestly guys, the clear stampers have really transformed the stamping game. It makes it so much easier to line up and to see where you're placing your images. So on my index finger, I'll be going ahead and using these TwinkledT Mermaid stencils to give me the scales of the mermaid. And honestly, these things are so great. They just, like, for people like myself that aren't the greatest at drawing, these help to make things so much easier. So now all I'll be doing is going ahead and taking that stencil and just placing it on the nail. People sometimes do cut the sides and at the top to make peeling easier. It depends on the stencil. I found that I didn't have to do this with these ones, which I was really happy about. So I'm just going in and pressing just to make sure that the stencil is laying flat based on the curve of my nail. Next, I'll be using ILNP tenfold, and this is such a stunning holographic polish, guys. I mean, look at this polish, especially over the black. I was so glad that I picked this one for the mermaid scales. I think this just worked perfectly for the look I was going for. As you can see, it is really gorgeous with just one thin coat, but because I wanted more of that holographic to show, I am gonna go in and just apply a bit more right before I go ahead and carefully peel off the nail stencil. So the trick with these nail stencils is that you want to remove them quickly but carefully while the nail polish is still wet. If you do this when the nail polish dries, you won't be able to remove it and it will damage your design completely. So I've gone ahead and cleaned up all my cuticles, and I'll be applying my final and last coat of Girly Bits Cosmetics What a Rush top coat, and look at how glossy and shiny these are. Now looking back at this design, I really wish I had used maybe the white to stamp the mermaid's tail, but you know what, that's okay. I still really like how these came out. And here we have it for this mermaid nail art look that I came up with. What do you guys think about this look? Do you like it? Not like it? For those of you that are new to my channel, thank you so much for joining. And for those of you that have been sticking around with me, thank you so much for staying and continuing on with me on this journey. If you did like this video, do give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you did not like it, and I will have all the products that I use listed down below. And if you have any comments and or question, guys, please feel free to leave them down below for me as well, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you will get notified when I do post new content. And as always, guys, stay glamorous.